Hey my YouTube guys, it's Vanshika and today I'm going to make a tutorial on how to do a clean girl makeup look. I have washed my face and here is my moisturizer. My skin like this. Here is my sunscreen and now I will apply it as well. So I will not do any base, I'll just apply my concealer under my eyes, my forehead, little bit on nose area here. I guess it's too much concealer, but never mind. We'll have a small blender and we'll blend it out like this. Just tap. We'll take a blender like this and now we will go like this. We'll do my eyebrows with a brown gel eyeliner. Brush it off. Use your gel eyeliner like this and brush it off again. I won't do any eyeshadow. I'll just do eyeliner with the same brown gel eyeliner. I'll just make a wing like this. So guys, now I will do my mascara like this. So guys, the makeup is almost completed. So now we will apply a gloss. Like I don't have a gloss, but I have a lip balm which is pinkish and natural. So now I will highlight my inner corners like this for a cutesy effect, and my nose as well. You see like how perfect this is looking. It is shiny, it is glossy. You can set it with a setting spray or with a compact powder, and I hope that you like this video, and if you do, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon for new latest videos. Bye guys, have a nice day.